Scan when ink tanks are low for the HP Smart Tank 790 and 7600 printer series. If you are trying to scan with your printer, but the scan will not complete, and you receive a message on the printer control panel that states tanks low, tanks very low, or fill tanks, follow these steps to fix the issue. The primary solution for this issue is to refill the ink tanks. However, HP has released a firmware update that can resolve this problem for certain types of connections. This allows you to scan even when the printer tanks are low on ink. If the firmware update does not resolve the issue, you can use the free HP Smart app to scan with low ink tanks. Step 1. Update the printer firmware. On the printer control panel, select Menu. Scroll down and select Tools. Select Maintenance, and then select Firmware. Select the option to update the firmware. Follow the remaining prompts to complete the update. Try to scan again. If the issue persists, continue to the next step. Step 2. Scan with the HP Smart app. If you do not have the HP Smart app, you can download it for free from your App Store or by going to 123.hp.com. From the HP Smart app home screen, select the Scan tile. To scan from the printer, place your original photo or document on the scanner glass or into the automatic document feeder. Adjust any settings based on the type of media you are scanning and your preferences. When you are ready, select the Scan option. Once your media scans, you can use editing tools to adjust the file based on your preferences. When you are done, select the option to share, save, or fax the file.